Vending machines have been around for hundreds, if not thousands of years, with the first ever vending machine dating back to ancient Egypt and was used to dispense holy water. Fast forward to today, vending machine technology has come a long way. Everything from touchscreen displays to artificial intelligent coolers like this one, where you have to swipe your card first before opening the door. So it makes you wonder, what really is the difference between a cheap $1,000 vending machine, and yes, that's considered cheap, compared to a $10,000 vending machine? Well, today I'm gonna put that to the test. Okay, so I'm currently on CraneCPI's website. They are the leading manufacturer of vending machines here in the US, so everything that they have is top of the line. I do already have the $1,000 vending machine. It's sitting here in my warehouse, and it is a snack machine. So for the $10,000 machine, let's pick a drink machine, and they have two options. They have the Media 2 and the Classic. So I assume the Media 2 is their newer model. It has a ton of features, so much stuff that a regular vending machine doesn't have. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. There it is. I placed the order, now we wait. The package has been delivered. For those of you wondering what it looks like to buy a brand new vending machine and have it shipped to you, this is exactly how it comes on a pallet, fully wrapped in bubble wrap. We're gonna put it right next to the $1,000 vending machine. Now let's drop it. If you guys haven't felt special today, you probably should now, because if you look at this sign, it says warning, inspect product for damage prior to signing delivery, which obviously I didn't because it's still fully wrapped, because I wanted to save it for the video. So you're welcome. Well, are you ready to find out whether it's good or not?
Yes.
I think the glass is at least good. Otherwise, there would have been glass all over the machine. But let's go ahead and get the machine opened up.
You won't like scratch the glass?
No, I don't think so. Ooh, this is gonna be satisfying. Get close. Ooh. Christmas literally came early today. Final step, let's plug it in and hopefully it turns on. Can't show them I'm using an extension cord.
It's just for today.
Let there be light. Ooh, there it is. So first things first, it looks like it is working. Oh, it just got brighter too.
Think this is the first time it's ever been on? Oh no! Stop it! Stop it!
What do I do?
Stop it! Unplug it!
How do I stop it?
Unplug it! It's trying to move! It's gonna mess it up!
See kids, this is why you should read instructions. You're never too cool for manuals. It literally says, attention, do not, oh my God, look at this. Do not apply power or attempt to move the system prior to removing the shipping bolt. Failure to do this could result in machine damage. Oh my God.
I swear, Jaime.
There's literally a huge sign on the machine, and it's the first thing I did. And that right there, folks, is why you should never be too cool for manuals or instructions. There was literally a gigantic sign in front of the machine that says do not turn it on until you remove some sort of bolt inside. So we literally almost broke a $10,000 vending machine. So much for being professionals. You got it out?
Failure to do so could result in damage to the XY system. That's probably why all of them are all messed up and we always have to replace them.
Warranty department, if you're watching this, just ignore them. And there it is in all its glory, a Crane BevMax Media 2 drink machine. First impression, this thing looks like a vending machine from the future. I mean, just check it out. It has some really nice LED lights. We have a big touchscreen display. Ooh, that's nice. We have LED lights for the payment sections. So I'm gonna give it a couple minutes, make sure it's fully on, and then we'll test it out. We'll put some drinks inside and we'll see how amazing this machine is. Okay, so this is what $1,000 can buy you versus $10,000. On my left, we have my trusty old machine. It's reliable, basic, but not fancy. And on my right, we have the Crane BevMax Media 2, which is like the Tesla of vending machines. With that being said, let's not waste any more time. Let's start with the $10,000 vending machine. So of course, the biggest key feature with this machine compared to an older machine is going to be the touchscreen. There are so many things that you can do with this screen. Everything from putting up advertisements for new products in the machine to even being able to buy multiple items at the same time. So now that we have a few drinks in the machine, let's say we want selection 207. And there we go. So look at that. Get one more for a friend. See, it doesn't just care about you, it cares about the person next to you. Shout out Crane. Or is it just trying to upsell you? Let's keep shopping. There we go. We got 2 selections on there and you can keep shopping for what? Look at that. One more for the road. They know what they're doing.
Why is it $100 though?
Why not? It's $100?
Yeah.
205, and we have 3 items, and just like that you can buy 3 items at the exact same time. You can't do that with older machines. You have to insert money, buy 1 item, and then repeat that process multiple times. Okay, so I have to go into service mode to change the prices because by default everything is set to $99, and I want to be able to test it for you guys. So let's go and change it. Ooh, it's asking for a pin. You guys can't see this because it's a secret pin that only vendors know, and it's how we change prices. What?
You can easily tell what number you're pressing.
Am I gonna have to blur it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what the service mode looks like. This is where you can change every single setting in the machine, from prices to testing products, or even checking the temperature of your machine, which is 61 degrees. We did just turn it on, so it hasn't even gotten cold yet. Let's check out. And then, oh, look at that. It's that quick. I literally just pressed check out. And just like that. So on a normal machine, you would have to, again, put more money, press the selection, but right here, it's going straight to the second item. And again, you can do this up to 3 items on this machine. Ooh, that was nice. Moving on, the second coolest thing about the BevMax Media 2 is that the entire cashless payment system is built into the machine. So for example, of course, you can insert bills, you can insert coins, but you can also swipe your credit card on the machine or tap your phone, tap your Apple Watch, your Android.
Nobody has Android. Who even has that?
I have an Android.
Who has Android these days?
Hey, I have Android. No shame. Where's my Android people at?
Oh,
let me know down below.
Put that down. You're embarrassing me.
Do you even know how to use the tap feature on your watch? Ooh, show them the wallpaper. Yeah.
It's been like 2 years ago.
There we go. There we go. It's $1. Check out. Pay with phone. Accept cards. Tap your phone.
I'll figure this out.
Just use your phone.
No, I know how to use it.
Oh, it's not assigned. Hopefully this video doesn't show how dumb I am, but I just realized that we haven't activated the cashless system on the machine. So I have to go onto my computer, put in all the information, activate it. So right now it's not, you know, it can't take cards. There's nothing wrong with the machine. It's all on me.
Or my watch. Okay, I do have money. At least $1, for sure.
You don't have to purchase a credit card reader and drill holes onto the machine like I have to do with every other machine. The third and final key point for this $10,000 vending machine is how modern and fancy it actually looks. Everything from the LED strip, which you can actually change colors to whatever you want, to the bright interior lights. I mean, it just catches the eye so much more. No offense to the $1,000 machine over there, but again, this machine looks so much better. You can put it into really nice corporate office buildings, schools, colleges. People are gonna love it. And to be honest, that reason alone makes the entire machine worth it. So again, I wanna give a huge shout out to CraneCPI for sponsoring this video and giving me the chance to review this amazing machine, because I have been buying their machines for the past 6 years. You guys see them in my videos literally since I started. I have another similar machine right behind me that I purchased myself. So again, I love their equipment. People always ask me where I buy it from. So I will have their information linked at the top of the description. Go check them out. Show them some love, and hopefully you guys have the same great experience as I have using these machines. Moving on to the $1,000 vending machine. We're not gonna spend too much time on this machine because there's literally nothing to show. I mean, it's a vending machine. It's as simple as just putting money into it, picking your selection, and you grab your product from here. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.
That is reason number 1.
In all seriousness, I mean, again, it's just a regular machine. I actually have no idea how old this machine is. If I had to guess, maybe 20 years old. So I was 4 years old when they made this vending machine. And again, there's nothing really special about it. It's just a regular machine. And of course, it doesn't have no fancy touchscreen to change prices. The way you change prices on this machine, you come down here, you grab these like plastic price labels. Like, what is this? You come over here to the selection. So some of them have them, $1.50. Just imagine how annoying that is to do every single time you switch out a product. That's actually why a lot of these don't even have prices, because it was so annoying to do it every single time that we just gave up and we called it a day. I mean, people can just press the keypad on the screen to check the prices. That's usually what we told them to do. Also, why is this machine so, like, look at the light. It just goes on and off. And also, of course, this 20-year-old vending machine doesn't have a built-in cashless system, so you do have to buy a separate credit card reader for $400, install it. Sometimes you even have to drill holes into the machine, and that way you can accept credit cards. Now you guys know what a $1,000 vending machine looks like and what a $10,000 machine looks like. So now off camera, I'm going to finish setting up the machine, changing prices, and making sure it's good to go, because we're going to put it on location next week, which you guys will be seeing in this video. So I'll see you in just a bit. As y'all can see, it is installation day today. I am extremely nervous because something can always go wrong. I mean, you could have literally everything ready, all the snacks, all the drinks, all the tools, your credit card reader, but something, or maybe it's just me, but something always goes wrong. And on top of that, today I'm gonna be by myself for the first time. And of course, I was right. As soon as we got there, we realized the snack machine wouldn't fit through the doorway. It doesn't fit. It literally took an hour to take the entire machine apart. We took the door off, the credit card reader, everything. And I didn't even record it because me and the movers were so stressed. We weren't sure if it was gonna work, but thankfully we got it through in the end. All right, everyone, today is the big day. It's installation day. As y'all can see, we just dropped off all 3 vending machines for this big new location. Also, I am extremely nervous because I'm by myself today. This is the first time I'm installing a new account just on my own. You guys can see Liz, my fiance, is not here. And for everyone that runs a vending business, you guys know that installation day is one of the hardest days ever. You can have all the vending machines ready. You can have all of the drinks, all of the snacks ready to go, all the tools that you could possibly need, but something always goes wrong.
What are you doing?
Yo, can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you now.
I just finished tidying up the connection for the filter for the ice machine.
Oh, nice.
You guys are probably wondering what happened, because in the last clip, I mean, it was all clean. You guys saw the machines, but there's a mess right now because you guys didn't know this. I'm installing an ice machine as well too. And this is something completely different. I've never done it before, so it took all day, a lot of mess. And we're still not sure if it's gonna work. So we still gotta turn it on and see if it makes ice.
What happened, Jaime? What's going on?
Guys, so we got the ice machine turned on. We got like milk water that came out of it, and I drank the entire cup because I was thirsty, but it didn't taste. Where is it? Oh, here, look. It is recommended that the system be flushed thoroughly. Let water run for 5 to 6 minutes before using. I drank milk water. All the stuff inside of the water filter, whatever's in there, I drank.
Wow,
so
all the minerals and chemicals.
If you guys don't see another video from me in the future, you know why. Man, it's hard to see because it's white, but ew, that's what I drank.
Yeah.
Man, no wonder my stomach was kind of hurting. Next, check out the ice. You did it. It's not milk water no more. Pretty good.
Nice.
Guys, it literally feels like deja vu. You have seen me go through this multiple times, and I literally said it before I installed the machines that something always goes wrong. And obviously, besides the machines not fitting through the doorway, it turns out that this past weekend, the frozen vending... Quick disclaimer, this frozen machine that I'm talking about was not made by CraneCPI. The frozen vending machine blew the breaker on the entire building, which ended up causing the vending machine to completely shut off, which means that we had to throw away every single item that we just put in that machine 2 days ago because it all melted. All the ice cream completely melted. Sandwiches, it's still kind of cold because we literally just got back from that location, because it did end up turning back on after it shut off, but obviously we can't use none of it no more. All the Uncrustables,
I think you can still eat that actually.
No, literally again, $300, maybe $400 worth of food thrown away. And it makes me look bad. The location was pretty upset because people obviously want to buy food. So I think third time's a charm. I finally learned my lesson. Moral of the story, do not use those frozen machines. Again, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I've had the same issue multiple times. We ended up just leaving the frozen vending machine turned off because I'm scared of it happening again. I did already schedule a technician to go and check it out, which he charged me $200. That doesn't include the repairs it might need. But yeah, besides that, that's pretty much it for today's video. Happy New Year's to everyone. My goal for this year is to be more consistent and upload a lot more videos. I do already have my own personal video editor, so it's gonna make it a lot more easier to make videos for you guys and hopefully upload every single week. Do you have a goal for this year?
My goal is to actually start planning our wedding.
Sweet nothings you whisper in my ear.
Ask us, what do we have ready? Nothing. But
We have the venue.
yeah, I guess the most important part. But yeah, Happy New Year. Thank you again to Crane for sponsoring this video, and see you in the next one.